Hey David, how you doing? Leo again. Appreciate your conversation today. I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing you some quick tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your Google Business Profile and then a website if you get one. David, I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, I've got your Google Business Profile pulled up here. Not too bad. You got 4 reviews with the 3.0. You definitely want to make sure that every job you do, you make sure that you're having people come here to leave you a review. You know, you can get them some kind of incentive, X% off if they do this or that, or next time you come back, it'll be X% off if they leave a review, because that will really help you. Because with the Google Business Profile, reviews are king. With your website, content is king. But for your Google Business Profile, you definitely want to focus on content. Now, you don't have a website, so what I've done is actually pulled up your #1 competitor in the organics, which is Metro, right here. These first 2 are ads. So down here is the organic section up under the map pack, and these are the #1 competitors. So what I'm going to do is just kind of break down their website for you, show you some things that they did okay and things that they could improve on. So this is their website right here. Not too bad of a looking website. Got their clients on here, things like that. My biggest suggestion would be to add more content. You know, Google loves content. There needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in the Google searches, where you're located and what services you offer. Now, another good thing to do is save photos as buyer intent keywords, because photos and videos can also are also considered as content. So they save this photo here as Martin 4 edited. That should have been fence repair, Louisville, Kentucky. New fence, Louisville, Kentucky. Fence installation, Louisville, Kentucky. Something stating the service and the city that the service is done in. Now, one thing I would recommend heavily is having more ways to convert at the top of this page. A lot of people like to call, text, email, chat feature. Most people are searching on cell phones, so if the phone number is right up here and it's a click to call, you can search it up on your cell phone, click the button, and call them right then and there. Some people are shy and don't like talking on the phone, so they'd rather have a chat feature or an email feature or a form submit. There's many different ways that you can convert at the top, and it will really help when it drives extra clients. Now, what I've done is I put their website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me their analytics and where they're setting. So this is a UR and the DR. This is the strength and the trust that their website has with Google. This on a scale of 100, and you want to keep those numbers balanced and moving up continuously. As of right now, they've got 430 backlinks with 55 referring domains. So implementing some of these tips is going to help boost these numbers for your website. Now, if you're unfamiliar with backlinks, a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some are authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Also with backlinks, it's quality over quantity. So you can have less backlinks but a better quality, and you can outrank these guys. They're indexing for 253 organic keywords, and it's bringing 322 people to their traffic each month. So even if they're converting 5% of those, you know, that's 15 new clients a month. So that's the point of having the buyer intent keywords in your content, is because it's going to drive this traffic. So what I do is I can get in here and see which keywords they're being found for. So Fence Company, Louisville, Kentucky gets 350 people searching that exact phrase every month. Fence Companies, Louisville, Kentucky, 500 searches each month. Fencing Company, Louisville, Kentucky. So there's about 2,000 searches right here. So you having a website with these keywords in there will give you a portion of that volume as well. Now, what I done was typed in fencing companies, Louisville, Kentucky. Usually up top there are Google ads and things like that, and then followed by that is your map pack, and then of course down here is the organics, where I found your number one competitor. This is where you want to be. 74% of people don't even go to the second page. Just like you and I, if we're looking for services, mechanic, plumber, roofers, anything, we're going to pick somebody off this first page. Most of the time it's off this top 3. And these aren't the best companies. These are just the ones that has the best SEO done to their website. They're the ones that has the most content, the most backlinks, the most buyer intent keywords, things like that. They have optimized websites. But not necessarily that well, because all these competitors I've looked at, and they would be pretty easy to outrank. And as you've seen here, they are severely lacking on content. A new update just came out, and it's pretty much focusing on content. So all these websites that's on the top of the search that are lacking content are eventually going to be boosted from those top ranks. Now, again, here is the map pack, and you're not in this top 3 right now, and that's fine, because there's several ways to get there. So, David, what you can do is make sure you're constantly adding those reviews that I was talking to you about earlier. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, because you don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section that you can fill out at the bottom of your Google business profile. Don't forget to add keywords in there as well. Posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly will help you rank organically. And that's like I was showing you here with the photos that they have. They didn't save them correctly. So if they had them saved as one of these buyer intent keywords, Fence Company, Louisville, Kentucky, they would get a ping for that picture. Instead, this picture doesn't hold any value. So another thing you can do, David, is add citations. And a citation is your business name, address, and phone number in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that. Because as weird as it sounds, Google is just a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people or directories as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and it'll help boost your business, not only in your area, but also the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack will give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and then they're going to give you a call right from there. So again, we went to your number one competitors. They don't have content. So by implementing more content on your website than theirs, make sure you're saving those photos correctly and adding backlinks, you'll be able to outrank those guys. So what I've also done with this tool is it allows me to find other keywords. So say you got a website built and you had these keywords in there on top of these keywords in there, you would shoot to that first page in a matter of months. You would start getting on that first page. And then when people type anything about any kind of fences, repair, new fence install, David's company will pop right up here. Abbots Lawn and Fence Company. Boom. It will look beautiful up in these top 3 spots too. David, again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Enjoyed talking to you today. As you see, there's a decent amount of volume that's here. So again, once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website, and a percentage of that's going to give you a call, and then depending on your close rate, it's going to turn into a customer. So again, I'd love some feedback on the video, David. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out, because I can be a resource for you if need be. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for your time, David.